Pili ka na number from 1 to 10. What is the square root? This is a question. If there is anything you could change about the LGBTQIA plus community, what would it be? Okay? If there is anything you could change about LGBTQIA plus community, what would it be? Sa Tagalog, kung meron ka man sa bagay na babaguhin sa mga miyembro ng LGBTQIA plus community, ano ito?
I believe, ladies and gentlemen, ang babaguhin ko po sa mga LGBTQIA plus community ay ang mga part ng LGBTQIA plus is hinahatak pababa yung mga kapwa nila LGBTQIA plus. Dahil naniniwala po ako na kung ang LGBTQIA plus ay gusto ng equality, dapat sa mismong part ng mga LGBTQIA plus, doon nag-i-start ang pagtutulungan. And after all, your years of existence will be worthless if you haven't done anything good for humanity. So be good and do good. God knows what's a pure soul of kindness. Good evening.
What's the answer of number 1? Chano.
Keeping up to.
How are you, Miss Aspriolas?
I'm good and still alive and kicking, ladies and gentlemen.
You can eat? Are you sure?
Yes.
Ano purpose mo? Kung ginawa mo sa ano ka? Bahay na mga Marcos.
Hindi na makakita.
Ito naman kasi. Nagpunga na lang talaga siyang brace.
Okay,
Nagaling nyo, ano naman dahil. Ano ganito sis? Lako, gusto. Bakit na araw wala kayo dito?
2 days.
2 days. Wala ka agon. Pag-isera.
Wala ako sa edad namin. Dali na.
Tapos,
Abot.
Dali naman ang guns. Was topper.
Worst tapo.
Okay, bigyan ka ng question from 1 to 10 except number 3.
Number 2. Hirap ka.
This is your question. If you were to rank wealth, health, and career according to importance, how would you rank them? Again, if you were to rank wealth, health, and career according to the importance, how would you rank them?
Okay, thank you so much for a very wonderful question. If I'm going to rank health, wealth, and career, first, I will choose the number 1 is health. Kasi naniniwala ako na kalusugan ay very importante sa ating buhay. Pangalawa, yung career. Kung wala kang kalusugan, hindi ka makapagtrabaho ng maayos. At yung wealth na tinatawag, pag magtratrabaho ka ng bongga-bongga, yayaman ka. Yun ang tama. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, always believe in yourself, don't hesitate to fight, and believe that no one can beat God because God created you in a complete package. Thank you.
You're so beautiful tonight. Okay, question from 1 to 10 except number 2 and number 3.
Number 1.
This is your question. What would you say to members of the LGBTQIA plus community concealing or hiding their gender identity to escape social judgment? Again, what would you say to members of LGBTQIA plus community concealing or hiding their gender identity to escape social judgment?
Okay, you know what, ladies and gentlemen? We are here to stand to be a voice, not just to show our beauty or our talent, but we're here to be to educate other people. So I think in this question, there will be a day that your cup is empty, and there will be a day okay. As far as I know, as long as we're living, we experience a series of discrimination and failures in life. And that's okay. As long as we're trying and learning, and that's all that matters. As far as I know, no one said that life was easy. So let things crash if they're supposed to crash, and let things flow if they bound to flow. Thank you.
How do you like your Irish originator play and simple lady and happy?
Yeah, I believe that two places is beauty.
Okay, question from 4 to 10.
I'll stick to my number 4.
Question number 4. What does it mean to become successful in life as a member of the LGBTQIA plus community? Again, what does it mean to become successful in life as a member of the LGBTQIA plus community?
Thank you so much for that very interesting question. All of us living in this world has different kind or different shape of being successful. But for me, as part of the LGBT, it's not very easy to be successful because we are being discriminated and we are being judged by the people every time that we meet someone else's in our lives. But definitely, this is not a hindrance for us to be successful. And I believe being accepted by my family, by my parents, is already a success for me. And giving me such an education to be followed by our other people or other parts of the LGBT, to be part of this event is already a successful thing for us. Because at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, in this world, if we cannot create a place that is safe for equality, then we should always start to create a place that is safe for diversity. And for me, that is the real success for us, LGBTQIA. Thank you so much.
Hello, number 5.
And Miss Barbie.
Hello, guys, Carla. Do you feel any pressure right now?
Actually, nervous is what exactly I'm feeling right now. How about you?
Silence means yes. Ikaw tatanungin dito, bakit ko tinatanong? Wala, pwede akong sumali dito. Okay, pili ka na ng iyong question.
I'll pick, since I am number 5. I'll pick question number 5.
Lagot. Anong basahin ito? Here's your question. How would you use your platform to promote the importance of financial literacy among LGBTQIA plus members? Again, how would you use your platform to promote the importance of financial literacy among LGBTQIA plus members?
Okay, we all know, ladies and gentlemen, that this part is the most crucial part of every pageant, which beauty and brain have been judged together. So the question is, what will I use, how can I use my platform to promote the financial literacy among the LGBT community? So I believe, ladies and gentlemen, we, the members of the LGBT community, are the breadwinners of our families. So in order for us to save money and financially support our family, we work hard and we support our family by creating things that we are capable to do. So I believe I will use my platform like this, educating all the people to conserve money and financial literacy. Because if you know how to save for yourself, then you can give to others. Therefore, we can have an amazing world where negativity could not grow and foster. Good evening.
Thank you so much, Queen. Number 6. You look you're enjoying the night.
I am. Every single time that I join the pageant, I just need to enjoy the show. I have no choice.
May problema ba tayo? Parang nilalait niya ako. Ano sinabi mo? Okay lang. Okay lang. Sige. Ayun, pili ka na ng iyong question from 6 to 10.
I would like to choose number 10.
Ako'y problem solving. May paper po ba kayo dyan? This is your question. For you, what gender stereotype do you wish people should stop enforcing? Again, for you, what gender stereotype do you wish people should stop enforcing?
Thank you so much. I always believe that answering question and answer, it doesn't need upon a highfalutin word just to make your answer bababoo. But let's go for further. When it comes to gender, there's a lot of different gender that we have been heard for, most especially in our country, in the Philippines right now. But I would like to push through the gender of the LGBT community, which pronounced bisexual. For I know that when you call or when you pronounce yourself as a bisexual, yes, you can dress man, but you have a golden heart to be act like a woman. Like me tonight's competition, ladies and gentlemen, I have a different characteristic among the other candidates, but my tenacity bring me here tonight in order for me to become a voice of my community, to push through the rights of the LGBTQ community, because I know that each and every one of us tonight, if we will unite and use our voice, then definitely we can rechange the cycle of the government in order for us to have our own platform, in order for us to be respected and accepted, no matter what gender that you have in this world. Because after all, what matters most is you do good things to people that can do benefits to them. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Queen number 7. Hello, number 7, Miss Joy.
Hello. Ito ang boses mo, malimutan talaga siya.
Okay, so bigyan natin ng questions number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Question number
6 to naman. Are you nervous?
Ito.
Parang huli na ako sa'yo. Bisa kasi iyak mo na ito bigla. Dito ka tadakan. Ayan. Meron mo yan. Hindi mo lang ako ng jowa mo. Ito ba ba? Charot lang?
Just me some.
Hindi. Pero kung alam mo lang yung kaba mo, ano ka ba? Kasi alam ko namang, pag ilang tayo sunod ka tulad sa akin ng budget? 4. Okay, this is your question number 9. Do you see yourself changing your gender identity in the future? Why or why not? Again, do you see yourself changing your gender identity in the future? Why or why not? Diyos ko. Nakikita mo ba ang iyong sarili sa hinaharap? Ay, nakikita mo ba ang sarili mo na magbago ang iyong kasarian sa hinaharap? Bakit? Or bakit? Hindi. Bakit o bakit hindi?
Okay, thank you po sa magandang katanungan na ibinigay niyo po sa akin. Para sa akin po, bata pa lang po ako, gusto ko na maging tunay na babae. Kaya po, ngayong nasa tamang edad na po ako, sa tingin ko po, gusto ko pong oras na para magbago. At dahil po doon, gusto ko magbago para sa aking sarili. Kaya po, sana po respetuhin niyo po kung ano po yung gusto kong mangyari sa akin in the future. Because, kung ano man ang gusto mo sa iyong sarili, dapat tanggapin mo ito nang walang dapat tanggapin mo ito nang wala kang pagsisisi. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
But it's okay if you want to translate it, di ba? It's better to ask the question than repeat you understand, di ba? Mahirap na maging hipokrito. Okay? Di ba, Samantha? Pick a question from 6 to 8.
I chose the lucky number 8.
This is your question. For you, what is your responsibility to mitigate the cause of global warming? Again, for you, what is your responsibility to mitigate the cause of global warming?
Thank you so much for that very interesting and timely question. I believe that my responsibility to mitigate the cause of global warming as a human being it is not only my responsibility to take care and be responsible of our every action on how are we going to mitigate the causes of global warming. And I believe that the causes of global warming is actually the cause or the effect of irresponsibility and lack of education of the human being regarding how to take care of our Mother Earth. And for me to be able to help the community to mitigate the process of global warming as part of the education. I'm actually a graduated Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. And if I would be given a chance to be part of or being a teacher, I would definitely give every day that my students would be responsible in every single thing on how they are going to take care of our Mother Earth by simply putting their trash can in the right place, by considering the biodegradable and non-biodegradable trashes, and as well, I would give an activity or extra assignment for my students to plant a tree, and from that they will learn how to take care of a tree, and they would realize the effect of having trees in our earth. And I believe with that, in a simple manner, if we will work hand in hand, and our micro actions will definitely give a great impact to make our earth a better place to live in. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Nika Ragwa.
How are you?
Nagtusa lang kayo.
Ayan.
How are you, Miss Margaret Alcaraz?
I feel one of the million stars in the universe, and I'm the shiniest of them all.
If you given a chance to name that star,
Starry, starry night. How about you?
Star Margarine,
Star City.
Star All Season.
Star Apple.
Uy, gusto. Hindi ko naman ang bard. Hindi ka naman tanongan na tayo.
Yes, po.
Sa kapag fiesta, hindi pa ito variety show.
Hindi ko ay. Kasi next for example po ng anak niya to, susunod lang po yung artista ang iimbitahan po ng ating konseho. Ayan. Hindi ba gano'n?
Ay, laro.
Panaabang ka sa partner kasi dalawa yung natirang tanong. Parang gusto ko i-challenge yung sarili ko to answer those two questions.
If you like, gusto mo okay lang naman yun.
Go na, di ba give a try?
Go. Question number 6 and 7.
Bring it on.
Dalawa talaga?
I'm just one try.
Hindi ka man talaga.
6.
Question number 6.
Ano napalunod ka pa?
Kasi about si Vika and Golden Cafe.
Hindi ako sa kanina.
Ito ang iyong question. Do you feel that celebrating Pride Month is making a positive impact? Why or why not? Again, do you feel that celebrating Pride Month is making a positive impact? Why or why not?
The question was given to me, do I think that celebrating Pride Month make a big impact to the society? Well, for those people who haven't know, when we celebrate Pride Month, we celebrate it in June of the year. So I think, yes, indeed, it's making a big impact to the society. Why? Dahil kayo pong lahat na narito ngayon,
ay isang patunay na kayo ay lubusang tinatanggap ang sangkabataan pagte ng LGBTQI+ community. Kayo mga narito ang mga saksi ng aming pag-success, ng aming talento, ng aming kagandahan. Sa lahat po na narito na nakikibahagi at nakikiisa sa pagbabago at hanggang tuluyan sa aming mga Rainbow Warriors. Maraming salamat po. Nawa po sana magsilbing araw to sa ating lahat. Because part of the LGBT, we would like to function. We would like to be part of this human race. So whether you like it or not, we will stay in this world, provoking and promoting that we should accept in our society, not to be tolerated. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Martha.